done, and I figured why not at least film a little bit of the process. So I parted my hair last night, parted and sectioned off, so my whole head has rubber bands at the base. And let me see, move these out the way. That makes it super easy to kind of, you don't gotta do it all at one time. And then once you've got it parted, you just add your hair on. This is the hair I'm using, X-Pressions Ultra Braid. It's 52 inches long, and it's already layered and stretched, so it's extremely easy to braid with. My sections have been about this big, maybe a little bit more. That felt a little light. About this big. And now that I'm at the front, I have to make the hair a little longer, so I separate it. So this is probably about 60 inches at this point. But all I'm gonna do is my middle piece, or my hair will be the middle piece of the braid. So I'm gonna wrap it around, make sure the sides are even. And then, like I said, my hair is the middle section. And it's just braiding. So I'm gonna braid down a few pieces, and then I'm going to add in my, so this is leftover hair from when I did some passion twists like sometime last year. So I basically like lay it in the middle, and it basically just gets braided in with the rest of the hair. And now I'm going to take some of the hair from both sides and put it with my hair to make like the third piece longer. And that's it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more from this side over to my piece. Kind of tuck it, make sure it looks right in the front, and then we're just gonna keep on braiding, and that is it. And actually, I probably could have used a little bit more hair for this section. It feels a little thin, but it'll be okay. It's feeling a little thin, but it'll be fine. And that's really it. Like, this is a really, really easy protective style to do. The parting is the hardest part for me, because I mean, you can't see the back of your head. But I apologize for any background noise. My husband's in there watching TV. But you know, just kind of want to make sure that your braids, you know, look halfway decent. You know, I ain't gonna have this in too long. So, but yeah. So this hair, I'm actually gonna cut this. It's getting on my nerves, and it's just kind of in the way. So let's see. Right there. I didn't even cut all of it, but that's fine. Okay. So yeah, super easy protective style, and I'll probably keep this in for 3 to 4 weeks, just giving my hair a break, because I'm tired of doing it, to be honest with you. It's too hot, it's too much. I think I'm actually gonna cut it, not cut it off, but it's too long. It doesn't lay like I wanted to, so yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it. But at this point, it's just a matter of braiding down. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, this is what this will look like. So it's just gonna basically hang alongside this, and you can kind of see I got some other pieces mixed in throughout my head. So yeah, I have about, I don't know, 8 more braids left to do, give or take, and I'll be done. So it was like 3 bundles already, like feathered. The ends are feathered, and that definitely cut down on the time it took me to do this as well. So I definitely recommend this if you can find it in your beauty supply stores. They also had different other brands also had hair that was already pre-stretched and pre-layered or pre-feathered, whatever they call it. All right, I am back and I'm done. So it took me about 3 hours to braid it all. It took me about 2 hours to part it. So, and then like, even both of those was not continuous. So if I had just sat down, didn't have no interruptions, I probably could have knocked it out in 4 hours. I used barely 3 packs of hair. Like, I had to open a 4th pack, but I only took like, it was for this last braid right here. So, and I bought 6 packs. So I have to go and take 2 packs of hair back. So the last step, oh, this is how long they are. This is how the back looks. So the last step, I'm gonna go and dip my ends, being sure not to dip the curly pieces, otherwise we will straighten them. We don't want to do that. So yeah, pretty much it. I will let y'all know or keep y'all posted on how long they last. My goal is to keep them up for at least 3 weeks. So we'll see. So